Hello everyone. Today, I would like to talk about drinking coffee, a habit I do every morning. The coffee I drink every morning is morning coffee brewed with the Philips Automatic Coffee Machine EP1200. This coffee machine is so easy to use that it's very convenient to brew coffee as soon as I wake up. However, I prefer iced coffee with ice rather than hot coffee. The reason is because it wakes up my spirit that is less awake. Hot coffee can make my body more tired if I drink it without waking up, because iced coffee adds to the feeling of being awake. And, when making iced coffee, simply mix water and coffee, then add ice and drink. It's very simple too. And above all, the time to prepare for my morning routine while drinking coffee is really precious. Because just taking this time can make my day more productive. Drinking coffee in the morning is one of my daily habits. Then I hope you have a nice day today. Thank you.